Fresh and verified allegations have emerged, claiming that opposition MPs were promised large cash payments in exchange for supporting Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, CAB3, a vote that has already sparked fierce political controversy. Zarapena Mashkobran questions a $30,000 vote buying bomb. Claims shake CAB3 debate. Don't was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina Pankwa ina mawiru brashinu kwachinzi. Makumpana ma MPs were promised ma $30,000 kutoa voted CAB3. They were given ma 10,000 before voting, and after they secured the vote and CAB3 has succeeded after attaining the 2/3 majority, some of them they were never given their balances. According to the claims, Justice Minister Ziyambi allegedly promised selected opposition legislators $30,000 each to vote in favor of the constitutional amendment. The allegations further state that MPs were initially paid $10,000 before the vote, with the balance allegedly to be settled afterwards. The claims allege that after CAB3 was passed, only a handful of MPs received the remaining money, while others were reportedly given just $6,000 or were told that there was no cash left. Some lawmakers allegedly struggled to raise transport money to return to their constituencies after the vote. The allegations have not been substantiated, and no evidence has been publicly presented to support them. Ziyambi has not publicly responded to the claims, and no official findings have confirmed the alleged payments. The accusations are nevertheless likely to fuel further political debate over the controversial constitutional amendment and the conduct of lawmakers who supported it. Toma developments are good upangwa in a comment section videos of video anymore to leave on subscribe or like, or on the bell icon.